What's up, YouTube? So as you guys saw, that was my S2000 outside. It's a 2000 S2000. Today we're going to be installing a shifter bezel. Mine's broken, so all this new one that I just got. Here's the part number. This item was actually pretty hard to get. I tried to order it once and it got back ordered, but I tried it just recently and I was able to get it, thankfully. And all we're gonna need to install this is a Phillips screwdriver. It's just 2 screws that go right here. Everything else just clips off. We're also gonna be installing a Renegade Motorsports titanium shift knob with the burnt, what would you call this? The burnt top, I guess. And we don't need anything. We just have to just screw this on pretty much. And that's all we're installing today. That's all we're gonna do. Let's get to it. Okay, so here we are. We're gonna change out the new bezel. Here's the old bezel. See how it's broken? We need to get this out. So to remove this, we have to remove the entire center console. So we start off by removing the shift knob. Next is gonna be, you wanna pop off the tabs that are on the center console. So you hit this corner, and you pop this corner, and then it should pop off here, and then you want to do the rear by the armrest, and it should just pop right out. And you're gonna have a few connectors on the bottom. Let me see. They're kind of hard to get to. Okay, so we got that one. So these are the connectors here. Here's the connectors here. So as you guys can see, this is an Ap2 center console. I drive an Ap1, so your center console might be different on an Ap1, but for an Ap2, this is the exact same steps and methods that you would take to remove yours. That came right up. That broke off. So here's the old bezel. See how it doesn't have the 2 tabs like this one? Those are what broke off. Go. All right, so once you got your bezel removed and you have your boot connected to it, you'll put it to the side, and then we have to remove this part right here. So to remove this, we have to remove these clips, and this one has 2 screws. This one has a total of 2 also, but then there's a third one that I believe we have to get to, but we'll find out.
So once you have those unscrewed, you can just pull them out, set them to the side. And I believe we have to remove this screw here because it still doesn't come out. And we have this one here. So we have 2 screws, this one and this one. Yeah, and then it should come off just like that. And so set that to the side.
Now we can come in and install our bezel with our boot. Put the screws over here. Okay. And it should slide in just like this. It's got a few clips on the side that we'll just press in. Okay, so now we got it installed. Make sure you line up all the little tabs to go through these slots. That's the only tricky part, is making sure they all fit through there. Anyway, once you have it all in there, you can then start to reinstall your this plate here. This plate. the small screws. The screws.
Okay. Now we can go ahead and start installing the toggle switches again. Make sure I have it pointing the right way. Go ahead and start it.
Alright, so once you have all your screws back on, everything should be nice and tight. As you can see now, the bezel sits nice and flush. Before it was popped up and it just wouldn't sit flush. It just looked horrible. I had to remove the carbon fiber wrap on this piece because when I tried to reinstall it with the really tight bezel, it just ripped out that carbon fiber wrap. So I decided to just pull it off. I plan on replacing this in the future anyway with a real carbon fiber piece. Same with the lid, it's wrapped and it just looks horrible. I'll replace them in the near future. But yeah, anyway, that was a quick tutorial on how to reinstall a new bezel. So now I'll just put this back on and we'll install the new shift knob. I'm not gonna do the roof one just because I took off the soft top. The car doesn't have a soft top anymore. There we go. She's sturdy again. Alright. Renegade, it's a beautiful shift knob. It's got some nice weight to it also. There we go. Check out that interior. I just gotta peel this off now. Alright. Comment, subscribe, like. Let us know what you guys want to see. S2000 stuff. Yeah. And